In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur an image in OpenArt. We'll start on the OpenArt homepage. From there, head to the image section so you're in the right workspace for editing. Once you're in the image tools, look for the option labeled Edit Image and click it. This opens the editor where we'll apply the blur. Next, upload the image you want to work with. Choose a file with decent resolution so the blur looks smooth and professional. If you're protecting privacy or softening a distracting background, this workflow works well for faces, text, license plates, or any detail you want to obscure. Give the upload a moment to process so all tools load properly. Now select the InPaint tool. InPainting lets you apply changes only to the area you mark, which is perfect for targeted blurring. Adjust the brush size so it fits the area you plan to blur. Use a small brush for fine details and a larger one for broader regions. Carefully paint over the part of the image you want to blur. Take your time around edges. Clean masking usually delivers cleaner results. You can zoom in for precision and pan around to ensure full coverage without spilling into areas you want to keep sharp. On the right panel, choose the Quick option. This streamlines the setup so you can get results fast without tweaking a bunch of advanced settings. In the prompt field, type blur or blur the image. This tells the AI exactly what to do within your masked area. Keep the instructions short and clear. The tool is optimized to understand that phrasing for this task. Decide how many image variations you want to generate. If you select more than one, you'll get multiple versions with slightly different blur strengths or textures. More options can help you compare and pick your favorite, but it may take a little longer to process. When you're ready, click Create. The system will process your request and apply the blur based on your mask and prompt. Wait for the AI to finish generating the image. You'll see a progress indicator while it works. Once the results appear, preview them and check the edges of the blurred area to make sure everything looks natural. If the blur is too strong or too light, or if you missed a spot, simply refine your mask. Adjust the brush size if needed. Keep the same blur prompt and run it again. A couple of quick iterations usually gets the exact look you want. And that's all there is to it. Clean, focused, and fast blurring with OpenArt.